Welcome to this Python object-oriented programming tutorial. Today, we are going to clear up one of the most common sources of confusion for beginners, the difference between instance variables and class variables. Mastering this is crucial for managing data correctly in your applications. Before we look at code, let us visualize the concept. In object-oriented programming, we use classes to build objects. The big question is, where does the data live? Some data is unique to a specific object, like a person's name. Other data might be shared across every single object created from that class, like a company name. Python handles these differently. First, let us talk about instance variables. These are variables that contain data unique to a specific instance. You define them inside methods, usually the init method, and you always attach them to the self keyword. This ensures the data belongs only to that specific object. Here is what that looks like in code. We have a player class. Inside the init method, we say self.name equals name. When we create player 1 named Mario and player 2 named Luigi, they have completely separate names in memory. Changing one does not affect the other. Now let us look at class variables. These are variables shared among all instances of a class. You define them directly inside the class body, but outside of any methods. These are perfect for constants, configuration settings, or counters that need to track something across all objects. In this example, we have an employee class. We set a raise amount of 1.04 right at the top. This value is shared. Whether we access it via the class name or an instance, we get the same value initially. This saves memory because we store this number only once, not on every employee object. Here is a quick comparison. Instance variables use self and are for unique data. Class variables use the class name and are for shared data. Instance variables take up memory for every object you create, whereas class variables are stored just once for the class. Be careful with this common trap called shadowing. If you change a class variable using the class name, it updates for everyone. But if you try to change it using an object instance, Python creates a new instance variable on that object instead. It hides, or shadows, the shared class variable for that specific object only. This is a dangerous bug to watch out for. Never use a mutable type, like a list or dictionary, as a class variable unless you explicitly want every object to share it. In this example, adding a website to the history of the Chrome object also adds it to Firefox, because they are both pointing to the exact same list in memory. To summarize, use instance variables for unique data like names and IDs. Use class variables for shared constants and counters. Watch out for shadowing when modifying variables and be very careful with mutable class variables. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.